Thoughtful exterior design begins long before installation, and not every project requires the same level of planning. Our design services are offered on a case-by-case basis, following a vetting process to ensure the right fit between our team and the client. With formal education in design and field experience dating back to 1999, we approach each project with both creative vision and practical knowledge. Because we are also installers, we understand site challenges, drainage, grading, access, load demands, and resolve them during the design phase, saving time and reducing costly revisions. All designs are presented in detailed 3D renderings, including property fly-throughs and optional virtual reality views to help you fully visualize the space. Our design services are reserved for select projects and availability is limited. Early planning is strongly encouraged. Contact us today to check eligibility and speak with our design team about how thoughtful design can redefine the way you experience your property.